In the previous video we have done all of the hard work. In this video we'll test that out, so I'm going to run that project. So it is launched now. I'm going to input my phone number, and remember, if you enter wrong phone number it will not send you the code and the application will crash. So we will solve this problem later on in this course. So I'm just going to send it to this phone number and code is not sent. So as you can see that code is not sent, so there is something wrong with that. Let me check what's that. You can see that if I now will verify, then it will crash, as you can see, because there was something wrong with sending code to that phone number. Maybe I have given the phone number wrong. So let me try it again. Okay, so project is launched. Now I'm going to give it my phone number. And just send SMS. It is still not sending the verification code. Maybe something went wrong with my emulator. As you can see that it has a cross over its Wi-Fi. What's wrong with that? As you can see, a failed pop-up window open up here. It's actually not connecting correctly. It hasn't connected yet. Let me restart this emulator. Okay, so we have got it running, and still you can see no, the Wi-Fi got fixed. So I'm just going to run it again so that it should start from beginning. So for that, just go and hit WhatsApp from here. Now I'm going to give it my phone number. And just hit send SMS. Should send code now. Yeah, it's just send the code, so I can just give it the verification code, and it has verified. But as you can see, what is happening here, that UI doesn't visibility should have gone from here. So what we can do is just get to our verification complete method. Here we have just make visibility gone to send, not send SMS. It was actually verify, btn verify, and this was the verification code, actually the edit text. This visibility should have gone. So I'm going to run it again. So the app is launched again. I'm going to input my number and just send it. code sent, so I'm going to input that code and just verify. Perfect. So as you can see that those the visibility of those views has been gone, so I'm going to input my name here. And secondly, what I want to do is I should click on this image to get image from gallery, so I'm going to do that. When I clicked on it, it just asks to me for permissions, and my system UI just crashed. This is because its emulator don't has that much memory, that's why this is happening. If you will test it on your real device, this will not happen. So I'm going to allow this. How I can do that? Just close app and allow it. I've allowed it, and it is asking me to choose image from this, so I can do is I can just choose one image from here. Oh, it just went back. The reason for that was just the crashing of the UI. So now I can pick and this one from here, and it is picked, so I can save it. Okay, perfect. So the image should have, as you can see, their profile picture uploaded. So image is uploaded. Let me check if the user is been created or not. So if you go to your storage section and images and just refresh this page, you can see that we have images folder, and if I go inside it, we have two images. The first one, I'm going to check it, and if you click on it, it will load it up for you. And as you can see that this was the image I've set there, so it's been uploaded. And the secondly, if we go to database, and the second image here is I've uploaded when I was just testing it. So I'm going to real-time database, and as you can see there is a users list, and from users list there is a user, that's me, and I'm offline. Okay, so we have been successfully created our user, and we have successfully uploaded our profile picture. So now we need to just make auto login work in the next video, and then we will work on getting users and sending SMS. So thanks for watching this video. I'll see you in the next videos.